Increasing productivity in your CNC machine shop can be a challenging process. Whether you're a small machine shop or a global manufacturing operation, saving time and improving quality are critical to increasing revenue. HCL CAMWorks can help you meet these objectives. That's because CAMWorks is fully embedded inside your CAD system. CAMWorks provides full integration with SolidWorks, Solid Edge, and other industry-leading CAD systems. With CAMWorks, you no longer need to maintain separate CAD and CAM files. The CAD and CAM models become one and the same. Design and manufacturing data are stored in a single file. When changes are made to your part design, the CAM data, tool parts, and G-code will update automatically. And data translation issues between your CAD and CAM systems are eliminated. CAMWorks delivers the technologies to automate your manufacturing workflow with feature-based programming, automatic feature recognition, and knowledge-based machining. You can also save your preferences to reuse them on future projects, further increasing productivity and utilizing your staff's programming and machining best practices. You can use CAMWorks to program all your CNC machines with functionality for milling up to 5 axes simultaneous. Turning, mill turning, wire EDM, routers, lasers, water jets, probing, and more. CAMWorks partners with industry leaders to incorporate technologies specifically designed to improve your high-speed milling and turning, to reduce machine cycle time. So what does all of this really mean to your business? It means faster programming, more efficient machining, and improved quality. Our team has decades of experience helping manufacturers across the globe implement CAMWorks and achieve better results quickly and easily. Join the thousands of customers around the world who have switched to CAMWorks to deliver increased productivity.